you guys. I had to give me a ham and cheese croissant. I'm in the middle of recording my Walmart video for you guys, but I had to stop. I had to stop and take care of a couple customers this morning for OfferUp, and I thought maybe I'll record a video for you guys. I had to stop and get a ham and cheese because I was like, girl, treat yourself. You haven't had a ham and cheese in forever. I used to get a ham and cheese croissant warmed. When I was daring, I would do jalapeno, which I love jalapenos, but I didn't do it today. But I used to get that for work whenever I used to go to work in the morning, every morning with my coffee. And so I am in the middle of recording my Walmart video for you guys, but again, I had to stop. Well, I met one customer there, and then I met another customer between here, between this customer, I had one in between. So I wanted to record an offer video for you guys really quick. I'm going to try to post at least once or twice a month for OfferUp for you guys. You know, any tips or tricks that I might have. But I'm going to park really quick. I'm going to find somewhere to park really quick where the sun's not beating me in my face. So they're cutting trees. Let me not be over here where they're cutting trees. They're cutting the trees. The sky is falling. The sky is falling. I'm looking for a spot to park. I'll find that one spot over in the cut, and I'll have that person that says, I'm gonna go park right next to her because she looks like she's suspicious. I'm gonna go park right next to her. Watch me get that one person that wants to come park right next to me. I'm literally way at the end of the parking lot, so let's see if anybody messes with me here. So, OfferUp. My seat is so loud. It just all of a sudden it got loud all of a sudden. I don't know if I need to change the circuit thing, fuse thing. I don't know what it is. But OfferUp. Okay, I'm going to try to think of any questions that I've gotten a lot lately. I think a lot of them involve pricing. Your pricing for OfferUp, you guys, is going to really just depend on you, the area you live in, what your competitors or your competition, what they're selling their stuff for. Because you do want to stay, you want to price competitively. You want to sell stuff. You don't want to price stuff too high. And you wonder why it's not selling when everyone in your area is selling their stuff, maybe the same item for $2 less. So that may be a reason why you're not, you're not selling. But a lot of you guys do ask me questions that involve pricing. All right. So basically just check your area, go on your OfferUp, filter to your particular area, put in the item that you're selling, see what other sellers are selling it for, and that can kind of give you a bit of a baseline as far as what you want to sell yours for. I usually will do 50% of Walmart's price. I go between 50% of Walmart's price and whatever other sellers are selling theirs for. I try not to do a lot of bundles, but I did post some bundles recently, kind of for Christmas, and they sold. I only posted like one men and one women. They both sold, and I usually will have my bundles where I at least have 2 sets available. So both of the women bundles, and then I sold one of the men. So putting together the price for something like that, I really just try to go with 50% of the Walmart's price, and then I may add a couple dollars of a cushion, and that's pretty much how I price my stuff. I will include some pictures right here of the 2 bundles that I have. They're literally in that $20 range. I don't sell paper goods at all anymore. I used to, but I don't sell them anymore because that's just stuff that I need, my household needs. so I don't want to sell out and have to go and pay more for something. Never sell your stockpile out where, you know, you then have to pay more than you're selling the stuff for on OfferUp to replenish stuff that you need. You know what I mean? So that just doesn't make sense. So I don't sell paper goods. I don't sell my Tide liquid. I don't sell my Percel liquid. Those are things that I love, so I don't sell those things. What else? As far as payment, a few of you guys were asking me questions as far as payment. I only do cash. I don't do Zelle. I don't do Cash App. I don't do any of that. I only do cash. I always request that they have exact change because I don't often have cash with me. And so for the most part, they're pretty good with having exact change. I meet in the same areas pretty much. If I'm going to Walmart and I have a few customers planned, I'll let them know, hey, I got to go to this Walmart. If you want to meet around this time frame, we can do that. Other than that, I meet at Jack in the Box at the corner by my house, or CVS at the corner by my house. I usually will meet close to home. I've met at Wells Fargo near my home, Chase near my home, and those banks are really close to home, like literally 2 minutes and I'm there. When it comes to listing stuff, I try to relist as soon as I sell a set and I know I have multiple sets. I'll immediately screenshot the picture, cut and paste the description, and I'll relist it and archive the sold sets. I always try to keep my page pretty clean. I don't like to have a bunch of stuff on there sold. If it's sold, then it should be archived or relisted. What else with OfferUp? That's my only way of reselling, you guys. I don't do Amazon anymore. I don't do Amazon anymore because I kept having issues with copyright infringements, and it was like on the Amazon app, the seller app, if you scan an item, it tells you you can sell this product, and then I would list it and I would send it in, and there would be some type of copyright issue, and I'd be like, okay, well, if I couldn't sell it, then why did I have the go to sell it, to even list it or even send it in? Because if you are unable, if you can't sell something for Amazon, they're gonna tell you, you're gonna know, okay, it's gonna say you can't sell this product. But I kept having that issue, and I probably had like 4 or 5 copyright infringement things, and I was waiting for them to fall off, and I lost my motivation, to be honest. And it sucked because I was so excited about Amazon, and so I have since canceled my my professional account. I'm hoping to eventually get back into it, but as of now, like, I didn't do it at all this year. And so that's why I'm not doing Amazon anymore, because a few of you guys have asked. But right now I'm only reselling by way of OfferUp, and it's what's working for me. It really truly is what's working for me. I have made, how much today so far? How much did I make? By 9:30 I already made $125 almost. So and all days are not like that. I think that's one thing. I mean, and that would go for anything. Like, there are gonna be good days, they're gonna be bad days. But I think the biggest thing with OfferUp is just making sure that you're posting consistently. Like, to stay in the feed is to post consistently. Even if you're only posting 2 or 3 listings per day or every other day, that's something that keeps you in the feed. Even if you're going to the bottom of your inventory list and you're archiving the last 2 or 3 listings and reposting them, I do that. If I know that I can't post anything new, or I don't have time to post anything new, I'll just relist something on the end of my list or the bottom of my list. Maybe lower the price a little bit if need be, just to push that item. But I'm hoping that these videos are helpful to you guys. I'm about to smash this ham and cheese, y'all. Smash it, because I haven't had a ham and cheese in forever. It's probably cold now. I'm starving, you guys. starving. I haven't eaten yet today. All I had is coffee. That was a big bite. I was trying to get some ham and cheese, but the ham and cheese is way at the other end. Starving. I'm sorry, y'all. Your girl was starving. I would say 90% of my customers are female. And I would say a lot of them are repeat customers. Like, I have a lot of repeat customers. I'll also sometimes throw in freebies because, as y'all know, when you have a stockpile like mine, you're always going to have a lot of extra stuff. And I get trial size stuff all the time. I give out the warmers. If they order oils, I'll give out warmers. I'll give out the trial size extras, trial size stuff. I've been giving out the Dove baby wipes since I have so many of those. So I do try to give out extra freebies of things. But a lot of my customers are female and a lot of them are repeat customers, which I absolutely love. Other than that, you guys, I can't think of anything else to add. If you guys have any other questions you want to ask me, I'm an open book. Let me know in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.